A breast augmentation alone is different from a breast lift. Patients frequently ask me, will my breast augmentation lift my breast? When you speak to a plastic surgeon about sagginess of the breast and the need for a lift, plastic surgeons think of that in terms of the nipple location. If your nipple is below the fold beneath your breast, then you need a breast lift. And the simplest way to determine this is to place a pencil or a pen or a ruler in the fold beneath your breast. And if your nipple is below that, then you need a true breast lift. That's called a mastopexy. And a breast implant alone will not solve the problem. What most patients mean when they ask me, will my breast augmentation lift my breast, is that will it give me more fullness in the upper pole? And if your nipple is in the appropriate anatomic location, that is above the fold beneath your breast, then filling up the skin envelope, even if it's collapsed and saggy, with an implant will solve the problem. It will give you better shape and more fullness in the upper pole, although it's not a true breast lift. If your nipple's below the fold, then you need a mastopexy, and that entails more scar, more expense, and more time in the operating room.